Ross's Ford Transit Pleasure Way. Real nice, real new. One thing it doesn't come with: swivel for the passenger seat, which is kind of dumb. So Sportscraft makes this adapter chingadera, and we actually tried to put it on. Wick and I tried to put it on the other day, and then we noticed we had to take the whole harness apart because it does not fit through the hole. No matter what people say, it does not fit through the hole. You can take that to the bank. So we do need to disconnect one of the connectors, disassemble it, and then we can slide the wires through and plug it all back in. Not too hard. First order of business, you need to actually unmount the seat itself. There's 4 bolts, 10 millimeter. Unde, and then the other 2 up front. In here, there is some wiring. You can disconnect, but it's kind of unnecessary because you really need to undo that honking some bitch up there. But you gotta unhook it from the front, do a little disassembly, etc., etc. But it's doable. It's easy. All right, so I got the seat laid back, and I didn't notice this the other night when we were messing with it. But there's only 3 little things here, and there's so much slack up here. I can actually probably undo these, slide them through, and hook it up underneath, which might be the way to do this. I'm gonna try that. So herein lies another issue. My wiring idea definitely looks like it's gonna work. You go to use the stock seat bolts, and they have at least a finger's width underneath here. And we're already sticking out, and that's gonna be interfering with our other bolt. So I need to get us shorter bolts, because I don't know if this is gonna interfere. I can put a spacer, but I don't know if it's gonna interfere with our track. Oh, this is not engineered as it should be, boys and girls. Definitely not how it should be. I'm obviously going by hand, because if I did this with the cordless, we would have more problems. You know, because that's what we need, more headaches. Yahtzee. Yeah, that idea I think is going to work at least. All right, so bolted down. I did kind of make some hardware that will clear. I'm going to pop her back up in here. Wiring's there. I'll bolt this stuff down, and we're going to try it out. All right, so we're sitting on our mounts. I'm going to install with our factory hardware, and then we're going to try this baby out. Uh-huh. Well, it only goes a little bit, and then it interferes. It hits this bracket back here. So that needs to get removed. Yep, that's exactly what it does. It's hitting this little bracket. But there we go. It does go all the way around. Hot diggity damn. So I'm gonna trim that little fucker off, and we're done. All right, so I've trimmed off the bracket that hangs out and is in the way. I tried to flex it another direction, like out of the way, but it wouldn't, because it would just bend this. So I cut it off flush, so it's nice and out of the way. You're not gonna like hit your leg on it in the night and run outside or something. But you grab your chingadera, and I know because it has the seatbelt on the wall, so you gotta like figure out which way you want to wrap. But hot damn, look at that. You gotta put the seat back. Get up in here. Check it out. Chilling.